Every once in a while, a camera comes along that gets filmmakers talking, and right now, that camera is the Sony FX3 II. Rumors have been swirling for months, with leaks, insider info, and hints from Sony themselves. While it hasn't been officially announced yet, the FX3 II is starting to feel very real. So, what's new? First up, the sensor. The FX3 II is rumored to have a 24-megapixel stacked sensor with dual-layer transistors. This means better low-light performance and faster readout speeds, perfect for reducing rolling shutter and capturing smooth motion. There's even talk of a triple base ISO system, making night shoots easier than ever. Video specs are exciting too. Rumors point to 6K open-gate recording at 120 fps, no crop, plus 4K 120 fps oversampled footage. That's huge for slow-motion shots or reframing in post-production. Basically, filmmakers could get full sensor data at incredibly high frame rates, all in a compact, run-and-gun friendly body. Sony is also expected to refine the FX3's strengths. That includes maintaining the lightweight, gimbal-friendly design, professional XLR audio, in-body stabilization, and cinematic color science. Fans are hoping for internal 16-bit RAW, improved CF Express card support, stronger build quality, and maybe even AI-driven autofocus like Sony's Alpha cameras. The timing? Possibly late 2025 or early 2026. Some pros think Sony may coordinate it with the FX6 update to avoid overshadowing their higher-end cameras. Bottom line. The FX3 II could be a huge step forward, combining compact portability with cinema-grade performance. If these rumors are true, this camera will be a dream for indie filmmakers, event shooters, and content creators who want top-quality video without carrying a giant rig. For now, it's all speculation, but if Sony delivers, the FX3 II will be worth the wait.